ARbase is an Onshape partner app that allows you to easily create augmented reality models from your Onshape part studios and assemblies. Once you've subscribed to ARbase in the Onshape App Store, you'll find it tastefully integrated into the same place you access things like the appearance and configuration panels, on the right-hand side of the interface. After opening the app, you can instantly create augmented reality models from your Onshape designs. This process converts your Onshape model into files that are compatible with Android and iOS augmented reality viewers. If your part studio or assembly contains configurations, ARbase will allow you to select the desired options when creating the augmented reality model. Once converted, you can edit the materials of your parts for more realistic rendering. You can select multiple parts and adjust the color, roughness, metalness, and transparency to suit your needs. Just like Onshape, ARbase hosts your augmented reality models in the cloud so you can easily share your designs with clients, customers, or coworkers around the world. To share the augmented reality version of your models, take advantage of the link or QR code available from the Share tab. To learn more about ARbase and keep up to date on new features, visit arbase.io.